Feels like I've loved you 100 years or more. Rocking chairs lined up on a squeaky old floor. Coffee gets colder, mornings come slow. You start talking soft and I just say, whoa. My hearing's fading like an AM radio. You start jabbering during my favorite show. I hit pause and squint like I'm reading your lips. You take 5 long minutes to get to the gist. And when you finally finish your thought, I say, honey, is that all you got?
What? Say it again, my dear.
Turn down the TV, come whisper in my ear.
We've been together since the dinosaurs walked.
And half our marriage is me yelling,
what? You talk when the movie gets good every time.
Right at the suspense, right at the crime. I pause and smile like I haven't been caught. Spending my golden years yelling, what? I finally sit down just to rest my bones. You pick that moment to pick up the phone, or tell me something that can surely wait. But love don't run on a patient rate. I learned long ago it's attention you need, not the quick glance, but the full stampede. And when I think I've given enough of my share, you wait till I'm busy, then you appear.
Then I get frustrated, start losing my cool.
You say never mind, now I feel like a fool. What?
Come back here and talk.
I act annoyed, but I love every squawk.
We've been together through thick and through naught.
And half my sentences start with a what? You wait till the movie gets tense and tight, then whisper,
isn't this nice tonight?
I pause and grin like I never got caught. Spending my golden years yelling, what? We ain't the couple we used to be,
but you're still the only one I see.
Through all the noise and the years gone by,
you're still my girl,
and I don't know why.
Well, maybe I do. It's the life we made,
the storms we walked,
the debts we paid,
the kids, the tears, the love that stayed.
They even let my hearing aid misbehave.
You went.
Don't you ever stop.
I'd miss that voice if the world went quiet.
Centuries with you still ain't enough.
Even when your timing's rough, talk through the endings, talk through the pot. Interrupt me, honey,
give it your best shot.
I pause the world, give you my thoughts. Spend forever with you, yelling.